In conclusion, now that you know how to set up your Etsy account and set up items in your Etsy store, you'll now want to determine how you can better market the items in your store as well as your store in general. And the Etsy platform does have tools available. There is a marketing section inside of your settings, and you'll see that you can look to your analytics, advertisements, sales and coupons, social media, as well as to determine a custom web address. You'll also see that there are integrations available, and you can use these integrations in order to leverage your social media in order to get more people to see your store. You'll also see that there are tools available that will help you to be found better in organic search. And finally, Etsy does have partners that will help you to be able to put together a professional looking website that allows you to leverage your Etsy platform. And so now that we have been through the entire platform, you should now be ready to start selling your goods, whether they be digital or physical, from a distance or in person. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you either in another video or in another course.